Mr. Krabs, a customer.
No food. 3 days.
Hold on, me bucko. Food's on the way. Hey, you got money, right?
Yeah.
SpongeBob, bring this man some grub before he kills over.
Here you go, sir.
Oh, Krabby Patties, huh? Finest under the sea.
Yeah.
What is that?
Huh?
Look at this place. I mean, what is the theme here? Underwater? It's boring.
Food, water, atmosphere. Nobody goes to a restaurant for atmosphere. They go for food.
Hey, Tom. Fred, hey, you want to eat the Krusty Krab? Nah, let's go to the Shell Shack. They've got a talking dog. Great. Hey, what's a dog?
Money walking. I need to think about gimmicks like that to get people back in here.
I have an idea.
My baby watching SpongeBob.
And so, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you buy lots of Krabby Patties as I bury myself alive. Jumping refill.
Hey, everyone, listen! The talking dog at the Shell Shack is singing!
Mr. Krabs, I have an idea.
What's that gonna do? If I don't find an idea, I'll go out of business.
Mr. Krabs, I have an idea.
Why can't someone give me an idea?
I have an idea.
Great Neptune in heaven, I need an idea! What in the name of money are you waiting for, boy? Tell me.
Okay, Mr.